all same the chair.
So this is adjustable up and down. Like this, then you want up. Aisha, this is my shop. Okay, this is Mr. Big Furniture.
No, right.
Okay, and this one is our shop also. Monya is working there, and in front of this one, okay, this is our shop. Okay, Mr. Big Furniture. Bro, if you find it same color of this one, okay, and you just coordinate my customer, they give you the sizes almost same color because he took for me same color of this. Okay, wooden type color. I make the bill this one for 2 pieces, okay, and then tomorrow you just bring, I will give the number of that customer. Okay, I make bill now and then tomorrow you deliver. Let them fix the leg and then don't remove the guni one, the what's called this, the cover. Okay, thank you.
Subscribe! Sana all! Subscribe!
Brad, ito 78, tapos ito 190. Okay, 190. Ngayon, itong single na to 78 by 78. 78 by 78. 78 by 90. Pala, 78 by 85. 85, ito 78. 78 by 190. Edge to edge.
This is the ano po, yung ang tawag diyan, yung laki, yung space na pwedeng paglagyan. Mga ganyan. Ganyan. How many meters? Ilang metro yan? How many meters? 32?
Subscribe! Sana all! Subscribe!
Ninety by 60, sir. Height is 105.
Sana all.